are live. Hello everyone. Hello. Gonna try to turn off all the sounds.
What's up, guys? Let's check the microphone if everything is fine. I hope no technical issues. I think delay will be at least 10, maybe 15 seconds. It shouldn't be more. Let's wait for the people in a layer. Yo, bro, yo, what's up, everyone?
Today is a sad day.
Why?
We hit stop loss and going after full take profits after the stop loss. We're gonna dive deep into that one, but happens. Sometimes movements you don't expect happens really fast.
Hello from Latvia. Hello everyone, guys. Where are you from? Let's type in the chat. Let's see. Let's wait for more people. Not enough. I don't know. Let's wait for more.
Not enough. We need more people so we can disclose the trades that we took this week, previous week, and show the results as well from the previous week, and introduce you to the XNINE, what happened in XNINE, what is happening, what's not happening, what is the main thing about XNINE and how we are operating, and how it's been for 3 months? 2 months.
2 months. Hello from Lithuania, bro. Lucas. What's up? Hello from Latvia. Hello from Belgium. Hello, Hungary, India, everyone, whole world. Hello.
Hello to everyone.
I hope your Monday started with some positivity. Big motivation from you guys. Thank you. Our followers are our motivation as well.
You guys motivate us to move further as well.
Your feedback, all your messages that we see, not only in XNINE community, but on Instagram, on our comments, on our videos, makes a lot of, it means a lot for us. Hello from Los Angeles. Hello, LA. That's a beautiful place. I've been there 2 times. From Uganda. Where are you from? We are from Latvia. This is a small country in the Baltic states. Really small country. Only 2 million people population. Maybe even less.
I think it's less. Less. Wait, I'm gonna check just real quick.
You are ignoring my chat. I'm not. You see, I'm answering you right now in this chat. You mean on Instagram? Love the content. Excellent quality. Thank you. We are trying our best to invest in content, in community, in everything what we do.
So really quickly, in Latvia there is 1.86 million, so really small place.
1.6 million people living in Latvia, imagine. If we compare to LA, I don't remember how many people in LA, but it was definitely at least 3-4 times more.
Your views on partial profit booking and trailing stop loss? Hell yeah, brother, you're securing your gains 100%.
Legends, good morning. Hey, how do you keep proper mindset after starting an account and then making profit and then losing it all? So you're making profits, losing, how you keep the mindset, right? How do you maintain your psychology for making that money again that you lost? You see, you are discovering that the trading, it's more about psychology, mindset, and proper risk management, rather than looking for new strategies out there on YouTube, watching all these gurus selling you all these recycled theories and half-baked indicators. This is more about mindset. It's not easy, yes. You will learn, but you need time for that. Are you guys friends or brothers? Say both. We are friends and brothers. It's peaceful. Love from Gambia. In your country. I lost my job. Now my life depends clean on trading.
Don't, please.
No, you shouldn't do like that. Always do something else as well.
Have some side business. Have some kind of a skill you can upgrade or learn besides trading. Make something of your life, you know? Trading is something that can keep the fuel for your business inside and maybe your life even, whatever. But don't depend only on trading. Trading is a big income source, but at the same time it's not reliable. So you cannot rely on trading as one. So make something besides it.
I would suggest everyone to have a trading as a side income. For example, look at me. Yes, trading is a big part of my life, big part of my business as well, but I do many other things: content creation, filming, investing. So develop skills. Right now I really develop skills in artificial intelligence as well. Always do something that is trending right now. Do not do only one thing, please, guys. That's really important for you, because trading, this is not something consistent. As you see, someone is losing, then making money, losing and making, and you need to have some kind of other things to do if trading doesn't work for you, because a lot of people lose here because of psychology, mindset, and not proper risk management. They follow all these clones on YouTube and think that they will be next millionaires in a few months. This won't happen to you. You won't be millionaire tomorrow. You won't be millionaire next year. And as soon as you will understand that, sooner you will get richer. I'm telling you. Are you in Dagestan right now? No, I'm not in Dagestan, brother.
Hey, when we smash 10 likes in this live stream, we're gonna go into the trades that we took last week and detailed breakdown of why did we took it.
We already have 14.
14 likes? I see only one.
No, it's here 14.
Oh, sorry guys. So in just a minute we're gonna do that.
Okay, let's break down our trades, guys. Past week was just a banger.
It was.
We lost only one trade.
Yeah.
USD GPY. That was only one missed shot.
Yeah.
But in general, let's show the people what happened last week. That was pure.
Maybe any guesses, precise guesses on how much precisely we made in last week? Yeah, there is a caption saying 40,000, but there is a little bit more to it. Maybe a little guessing game. Just a moment, gonna turn on.
90K. No, we made 90K in 2 months. But last week it wasn't that huge, but that was perfect week. Not gonna lie.
So any guesses? Okay, but let's put precisely last week. So the last week was from 19th to 25th.
36K. Damn, this guy is so precise. He knows. We made $40,000, but today we had one bad trade. So basically for the past 10 days we made $36,000 approximately, right?
We're gonna show that as well. But yeah, we made $40.6 thousand. Extra $700 on the.
Yeah, and show all the trades. You see, we missed only one shot with the USD GPY, but in general, look at that win rate.
Yeah, USD JPY was the only lost trade. Yeah, you can see USD Swiss franc and USD CAD red, but that was only to test out how much was it in lots. For example, 20 lots was too much. So as you can see, we opened with 5 afterwards. But yeah, it's blue, only USD JPY. In total, we made $40,000, and we tracked these trades on TradingView as well. We're gonna go into that as well a little bit later on.
You see, guys, this is not 1 or 2 trades, $40,000, which makes no sense.
It isn't.
This is many trades with the proper risk management.
It is.
With the proper risk management, we had many trades and we managed to make $40,000. This is a safe game. This is what real trading is: surviving the dips, surviving drawdowns, and make it to the profits finally. Only with a proper mindset, psychology, and risk management, this is possible. And we use other strategies, indicators only to raise probabilities. We do not try to guess the market. Guessing the market makes no sense, guys.
Year to date. So year to date is, we have this account, I guess, for previous 6 months. We made $72,000 in total, and we withdrew $44,800. So, yeah. Wait a minute, it was, the first trade was in 13th of November. Yeah, it was November, 13th of November. So it was 2 months. It is approximately 2 months and a few days. And yeah, in total we have made $72,000 in about 3 months.
Sup everyone, just joined the XNINE VIP today, still waiting for approval, but I'm excited. Welcome to XNINE, I hope you will enjoy and thank you for the trust. Yeah, you missed crazy week, but yeah, great times are ahead. I made $140 last week with you guys. Amazing, that's a good result. You had probably $500 or $1,000. Am I correct? Can you pay me $10,000 DAP? Yes, I can, of course. Just message me on Instagram. That's normal. So what are the confluence to make this? Sidhachu. Sorry, I cannot spell your name correctly. So what do you mean? Are you in XNINE or not yet? Buying gold for all-time high.
We could talk about gold a little bit later on. It's just guessing, and not guessing, but showing and telling my opinion on it. But please don't. It could sweep you out really fast, really fast. But yeah, about the results, this was today's trade that went into negative. For the past 2 weeks, this is the second trade that went into the negatives. Let me do this.
I'm sorry, we have one microphone today.
So basically we lost the trade which was USD JPY. Last week we lost there around $5,200, and today we lost $7,000, 7.2. So yeah, but this is the trade Euro US dollar, and I want to show it to you guys on the charts. So this is the trade. This is the trade in the middle. We opened it after sweep of Asia lows, and when it swept, we opened longs for impulsive move to the upside. It didn't go quite well where we wanted to. It went to our stop losses directly, and now it's going after full take profits. It happens, and that's the part of the game. And the same with USD CAD. We are approaching a really safe movements to the markets. As soon as we hit take profit 1, we are moving our stop losses to break even. And this happened to us today. So as you can see here on the screen, or you don't, just a minute. You can see on the screen we have USD CAD take profit 1 here, take profit 2 here, and break even here. So we are approaching the markets really safely with our account as well. So yeah, I hope you will take something from us.
So
and
basically we were very precise with this trade, but the stop loss wasn't perfect for us. And sometimes this is the part of the game. This is real market conditions. You cannot be right all the time. Sometimes you are right, but the timing is not perfect, and it happens. This is a part of the game. Losing is the correct loss is more important than taking profits. I want to join XNINE. Yes, you can join XNINE. We will let you know how to do that. I mean, what are the logic behind to make 36K? The logic, first of all, if you have never been in trading before, you should start to learn in real market conditions. Forget about all courses. You can learn basics. For example, with us, with XNINE for free, you don't need to pay anything. But to make 36K, yes, you need a capital. We are not here selling a pipe dreams. You need a capital to make $36,000. Because XNINE is not about gambling. It's not about how you can make from $1,000, $30,000 in a short period of time. We are always being honest with the people. And if you believe that someone can make from $10,000 $1 million, that's a bullshit, guys. The Gen Z generation is hypnotized by all those clowns with the golden chains and swinging on these golden teeth and chains. They are selling you the dream that you're gonna be a millionaire soon. But you know, the Wall Street has a different name for you if you believe in this. You are just a liquidity. You are just liquidity. Yes, that's a harsh truth. And you need to understand that you are not smarter than Wall Street. And the proper risk management is the most important thing in this game, not the strategy itself and not those gurus who are claiming that they made $20 million. Imagine if the guy can make $20 million at the age of 20 years old. He would be in Wall Street magazine, but they are not, because they never made money on trading. They made money on selling courses. Big win to you guys, the transparency in the community. Fuck those TikTok like millionaires selling courses. My boy. That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah, I won't comment on this one.
Renis doesn't want comment.
I don't want to comment on these things.
He's a calm guy. I'm more emotional.
Maybe if somebody knows me from the early stages of where I started and what did I do when I started trading. I was selling courses, and I was one of the guys who were selling the courses, but I wasn't showing off the flashy lifestyle because I didn't have it. I wasn't showing off the profits from demo account. I was just purely honest with everybody that I'm gonna show you the way where I went through and what mistakes not to do, right? And I will totally agree with you about these flashy millionaires and showing off the rented cars and everything, and saying that you're gonna be a millionaire, billionaire, maybe gazillionaire. So yeah, nah, you are just liquidity. If you learn trading, you will learn some skill, you will learn some knowledge, but it won't make you a millionaire if you buy courses. Millionaire will come if you will put some work in it, make some money outside of the trading, build your capital, invest in trading and everything, and make it as a snowball effect. Then everything will go as a plan.
Well said, brother. Well said. That's what I'm talking about.
Sorry, Renis. I meant like showing off. Nah, all good, brother. All good. But yeah, the hard reality about the liquidity is, for example, this chart that you see here, and this was the USD JPY trade that we didn't take. Now, we did take, but we lost it as a stop loss. The direction and the vision was precise, but the stop loss wasn't. It wanted to go higher and sweep out all the liquidity that was built up here. And this was the trade from last week as well, previous week. And this is the trade that hit our stop losses, but it went after full take profits. So this was what we talked about, which is liquidity for Wall Street and whatever. See, there was so much orders up here, and somebody who wanted Japanese yen for a little bit cheaper just sold it here, and then it went down. So yeah, it is what it is. Do you trade gold? Yeah. Moving average? Yeah. About support and resistance. Perfect concept. For how much time do you hold positions on average? On average, I think it's mostly in a day the position will close. But if we go outside of the average, then there could be days where we hold for a week maximum, maybe a few days. Protecting yourself against liquidity sweeps can be a real beep. Yeah, it is.
What is your opinion about support and resistance? What do you mean, my opinion? They just exist, but they are not forever there. Every support and resistance will be destroyed sooner or later.
Yeah.
What is your concept called? Our concept is do not be smart. If you're trying to be smart here, you're already losing. Just be honest with yourself. Work on your mindset. Before you start learning any strategy, work on your mindset. And there is no strategy that will make you profitable. There is no. Strategies will just raise your probabilities. We are not here guessing the market. Guessing the price makes no sense. Only new traders try to guess the price. The real traders, they react on real market conditions. So their main goal is to absorb the situation which is not playing in your favor. This is the most important part when you start trading as a professional trader. I'm not talking about institutional trader, but as a day trader, retail day trader. Because we are retail day traders. We are not institutional or hedge fund traders. That's a complete different thing. Guys, do you know how the institutional traders trade? Do you think they use moving averages?
Possibly they do, but not for trading.
You trade your own capital or prop firms.
Yeah, I wanted to show this.
This is, I don't know, it's how people do not see that.
This is our live capital, as you see on the screen. Our live account on Vantage, and Vantage is a broker that we trade on. And yeah, but about the funded accounts, personally, I have been trading funded accounts, prop firms, but right now I'm not anymore. I'm just trading live account, and that's it. So my biggest advice is have some kind of capital, make it up, trade it up, or whatever, wherever, and then trade live account. It will be so much better for you.
Yeah, the prop firms, it's not bad, because a lot of new traders, they come and they want to get that bigger capital to trade with, but you need to consider that there are challenges that are really hard to pass, because these challenges takes away what is real trading on live account, because live account trading is so different compared to the prop firm trading. This is complete two different things. Brother, I think my strategy is, please do not spam. I beg you, do not spam. I see your message, but if you're gonna spam, we're gonna... Okay.
Don't spam, but in short, backtest. You cannot just...
Bro, we will block you if you're gonna spam. I really like the daily market analysis and updates, not just talking trades. I lost the message, sorry. Where was that message?
So I'm literally rage baiting because Euro US dollar gonna hit full take profits after stop loss. But oh well, happens for the best of us.
Can you explain why there is a gaps between candles when a week closes, right? That gap. Can you show that gap?
Yeah, is that a question?
Yeah.
Someone else? Just a moment. I want to show another brokerage because there's.
Made $1,000 in 10 minutes with the morning manipulation on Bitcoin. I'm glad I upped my capital. It's 1% 10x leverage. Imagine I have more capital. No, I do not imagine. If you would have more capital, it doesn't mean that you would make more.
Yeah.
Your psychology can change with the capital, and I'm really happy that you made your profits, but that one profit doesn't make you a profitable trader. It means nothing. I can make right now $50,000 in one candle and call myself guru, but that was just a gambling without the proper risk management.
So guys, explaining the gaps, I'm gonna give you a real cheat code for gold if you like to trade gold, but this is something I explored only last week and I haven't said this nowhere publicly, so please make and give full how do you say, just look and learn, and yeah, this is going to be a cheat code for if you want to see how the gold will open on Mondays, you can track it through the weekends when the markets are closed. You can see precise price where gold is in the weekends. So talking about the gaps are formed when market is closed, and for the weekend when it's holidays, gold will still make some kind of a price action, price movement, whatever. And this is the difference. It closes on Friday and it opens on Monday. And what was the price difference, it will show as a gap, right? And for now, there is 4 gaps that are created and aren't filled. So it will be really interesting to see how they will react. But the cheat code I wanted to talk about is if you go into TradingView and you type in XAUT, this is a gold based on crypto. As you know, crypto don't sleep, and XAUT doesn't sleep as well. And you can see that here was the moment where market closed, and the same exact candle is right here. So all this movement on the holidays, you could have seen it until the market opened, I think around here, somewhere here. So you could have saw this price action while the market was closed, and you could have saw how market would open on Monday. So this is something that you can use for future. Yeah.
There is one question from Tunnel. Let me find it out. Where is that question? I'm sorry. Guys, how to enter trade the way you do. What I mean by that is you guys have that green and red entry where is 2 take profits, 5 take profits, and stop loss. Just how to activate that green red thing. Do you do it in TradingView? Yes, that's a TradingView. You can do that.
Do you think
yes, these one, yeah. You just set the lines with the take profits manually, right?
Yeah. These I set manually with the tool called trend lines. Yeah. You can hold shift, it will make a straight line. Here you can write take profit 1, for example, and then you can here in first, second, third, fourth, fifth section you can see these tools: long position, short positions. For example, short position, we have take profit 1, stop loss here, and there you have it. Simple.
Armin's Ducals. Yes, that's a really nice statement about how you can survive with the proper risk management and make it through to see the profits. This is what the real trading is. That's what we are trying to teach you. Do not chase the fast profits. Chase longevity, like in the long run.
Soon I will visit Latvia to meet you, brothers. No worries. Come here. Let us know when you're here. But yeah, let's answer one more question. And let's go into a little bit of a tour. How does XNINE look in use? What is that we do in XNINE? If somebody isn't there, we're gonna introduce you and show a little bit of a tour. What is what and what is not. What's your view on gold? In fundamentals, and not talking about trading, it will go higher, but it's not like it's going to go higher from now. It could make a big retracements, big moves to the downside, but it will make a possible moves to the upside. And the same goes with silver as well.
Guys, right now we will show you how to enter XNINE, what is XNINE, how it looks like from inside, and the groups, what do we do, what do we provide, the support and everything, and feedback. And then we can continue with the questions about what is trading, how to master psychology, strategies, whatever. You can ask any questions, but right now we're gonna show you the process, because many people ask how can they join the XNINE, and it's completely for free. Do not forget, everything is completely for free. We do not sell as well. We are going to have a course soon for XNINE members only, for free. We do not sell courses. We're doing that for free.
So I was mentioning this in this morning's market overview, that we're gonna have some educational materials, and there was question from my side. Either we make it as a one educational material each week and we give homework to you guys. Every single week we have one video and one homework for you guys. Or we just give you full course of everything and you just sit there and learn by yourself and there's no homeworks. So yeah, that would be, I think, really, really nice for you guys to learn something new. But yeah, let's get into the group and show you what is happening there. So as you can see, I updated every single one of you guys on what happens in the markets, and as you saw now, it hit full take profits. Yeah, it happens. It's the liquidity sweeps are rage baiting, but that's all right. That's all right. And yeah, I updated you guys on this trade as well. We had maybe we're gonna start at 9:30, 9:45. This is what we do every single day. Nice continuation. We make a market overview of around what is happening, what is not happening, what is our visions, what not. We have our results. As we are transparent, we show what results we have, what we don't. We have trade ideas, market analysis in this kind of format. And yeah, this is what we do. News and everything. So
reviews. Can you show the reviews as well?
Yeah, so this is the group that everybody can join. This is the public group of our results from our members, how our members are moving, and that's insane to see. I don't have the chat in my phone, but there is a chat called mentor support. So if you have any questions about technical things, about platform things, maybe there is something with your psychology that you want to talk about, maybe you are a little bit fallen into depression, doesn't matter. You have your mentor and you can talk with him 24/7. And that's just pure one-on-one texting. And you can maybe even call if he approves. But yeah, here is Hannah. She made on USD Swiss franc around $1,200. Insane. It was 4 days ago. Insane. It's amazing to see that.
Can you show that?
Yeah,
hi
this
everyone,
is one of
my
our
name's
members.
Andrew.
He's from UK.
Based in the UK. I am 28 years old. I work as a policy advisor in the UK government.
I think you should
Starting
hear the sound
balance
as well.
on XNINE was £720, so just shy of $1,000. My results so far in XNINE, I've made about £500 in profit with XNINE itself and following all the guidance of the community as well, and just the execution is the main and the most important part itself. My results for today, I've made around £57 itself, and a bit of feedback about XNINE. It is pure, and Levron and Reynos are very trustworthy. They are also super honest and transparent as well, and all their results, they share their wins and their losses as well, so there's nothing to be that you are hesitant of at all. I have no experience in trading. I'm just starting out. I joined in November of last year, and although I've made losses, it's part of the process as well, but it's something you have to be willing to take. The win.
So guys, you saw, this is how the community looks from inside. Market analysis, reviews, feedbacks, and we have support, mentor support completely for free. You can message anytime, 24/7, and you will receive any help from... You want to say something?
Yeah, I didn't show one thing. If there is someone who is into crypto, we have crypto group as well. We have crypto scalp group and intraday trading, and we have crypto spot as well. So if you like crypto more than Forex, you are more welcome to join.
So yeah, we're developing many other groups, algorithms as crypto as well. We're testing out the new algorithm. And in general, yeah, community is totally for free. You can join whenever you want. And there are many questions about what strategy we use and what is your opinion on ICT. You know, there is so much hype about inner circle trader, so-called conspiracy guy. You know, he didn't invent something new. He just took the old ideas on the market that existed before him. He made a conspiracy, wrapped this in a different form, and just selling to the people. Do you know that ICT never trade himself? He doesn't trade using ICT. He's a good he has a good marketing. He's a really nice guy in terms of creating these strategies, but guys, any strategy always fail. No matter how perfect this strategy is, it will always fail. The only thing that won't fail is your mindset, and that's it. And someone asked, how you master your mindset? First of all, As I mentioned before, please do not be smart. Do not try to be genius. You cannot outsmart the Wall Street, because if you will pay attention, if you will learn and take your time to investigate how the markets were created, the charts, the trading itself, it was created for institutional trading, not for retailers. These were the derivative tools for institutions, investment banks, hedge funds. And then the retailers, that's just a side effect of all this. And they created these all derivatives, MetaTrader 5, so we can trade, see the charts, and we are just liquidity. We cannot outsmart the huge hedge funds, because you know the difference between how we trade retailers and how the institutional trader trade, that's a totally different story, guys. It's completely different story. They do not use any of our tools. Our tools are just a rubbish for them, because they, you know, the main idea, institutional trader, he doesn't care about price movement. He cares about order flow. He sees in order flow all these orders, stop losses, and limit orders, and he see liquidity. And for example, he need to use that liquidity because he need to reduce his exposure. Why he needs to reduce the exposure? Because he need to convert, for example, $1 billion to euro, and he doesn't want price to move up or down because it will affect his portfolio. That's why he's taking out our stop losses, our liquidity, because our capital is small and we use leverage, and of course our stop losses are obvious. That's why it's not happening. It's not like those institutional traders are trying to hunt for our stop losses. It's just happening by nature, because that's his job. He's managing huge portfolios, pension funds, and he's taking out our liquidity. So any strategy won't work there. So that's why you need to protect your capital with a risk management, and that's it, and staying in this game as long as possible. And this is the main idea of real trading. The real day trader who is profitable. This is the only thing that you need to know, how the markets work. And all these ICT, smart money concepts, it's good to know them. I'm not against them, but these are just probabilities that sometimes rise up your entry points. So it's just rise up your confidence that this is going to be a good trade or bad. But
for example, let's say, for example, ICT strategy. We just have 1 minute for value gap here, and let's see how it plays out. That's just for market experience. This is no financial advice, and I'm not saying to open these trades, but let's see how it performs.
So we see the fair value gap, right?
On 1 minute.
We have imbalance there. Let's see how it plays off.
The perfect scenario should be that we are testing this gap until 50% of the gap, and then we are making new higher highs in this structure. So simple. But if the gap gets closed below 50%, as you can see this dotted line, it could potentially inverse the gap and maybe go after the second imbalance that we have here. So let's see what happens here as a ICT concept and everything, but yeah.
Yeah, this is really nice. But it's really cool that Ren is right now showing how the ICT works. And there is one more, there is one more comment again about all these gurus. What about ideas about Sir Fabio Valentino, World of Wisdom, the #1 scalper in the world? I'm not against these guys. They know something about strategies, but their strategies won't make you profitable, guys. The Fabio is a cool guy, maybe, yeah. But he's just selling his ideas. He's just selling.
Y'all don't see. Now you see. Sorry. Where's the charts?
Fabio is not a bad guy. He's a good seller. And you know, #1 scalper, what kind of like, how did they like call him #1 scalper? By what measure? Yeah. I don't get it. If you know, if that guy is the #1 scalper in the world and he's making just $10 million by trading, where is he on the Wall Street? I don't see him on the Wall Street, guys. He would be earning $100 million if he has perfect strategy. No one cares about him because he can't prove that. He can't prove that he can make $10 million with his strategy.
let's see. Maybe this will be a nice trade. I'm not taking it, but as I mentioned, let's just see. This is for market experience only, and this is not financial advice. This is just a pure experience for you guys, and to show you guys, it doesn't matter what concepts you are using, but if you don't use proper risk and money management, it doesn't really matter what you are using. Let's see. Here is the first signs of this working out continuation model, where we have this kind of a uptrend movement, and we made imbalances here in upgoing move, and we could potentially wait for this kind of scenario, right? So this is the only concept where we could have some kind of a reaction and continuation to the upside. And what the price is doing now, we have 4 more seconds.
He won the World Cup champion. Which federation? Which federation? Who are these? Wall Street world champion or what? What are these, like, you know, rules and the federations where he won #1 scalper? There is no proof of that, please.
Yeah.
Guys, be more skeptical in this field. Be skeptical. Do not trust everyone. So what are we gonna if we don't use strategy? No, you need to use strategy, but this is just a 15-20% from whole success in trading.
I don't want to call it a strategy even. Concepts of trading. For example, supports, resistance, fair value gaps, these order flows, order books, everything. Use what makes the most sense in that specific time. And simple. You don't need to use one strategy that will make you millions. Use everything, but don't overcomplicate it as well. For example, here is 1 minute fair value gap. Why should I look at MACDs and RSIs and order flows and everything if I'm just using this one specific concept, which is imbalance? Which federation is wild? Guys, do you know TGR? And if you do, what do you think about him? Another strategy seller or a legit?
Again, have you seen TGR TikToks? He's a good content creator for Gen Z generation. All these like goofballing, all that shit. If you believe that guy cracked the Wall Street system and made $20 million in trading, come on. He's a good content creator, maybe even better than we are, because I'm creating more cinematic, not this bullshit. I don't like his content, but his content resonates with Gen Z generation. Yeah. And he never made $20 million by trading. I can guarantee you. I will tell you, he became rich only when he started to create the content. You know, if he would come into the content creation already made $20 million in trading, that's a different story, yes? But it wasn't about him. It's not about him. But I respect him as a content creator. He's a funny guy for many young people. Do you believe Alex made from 100 to $1 million? Yes, 100%, 100%.
Because he's a legit guy. He vlogged everything, and he was transparent. He said that he did it not only from one try, but he tried 3 times, and he made it. He cracked the code, and he made a strategy where he needed to double his money in a week. Robin's World Cup Trading Championship Futures Division. So, okay, guys, I think we talked a little bit. Let's try and maybe give the opportunity for everyone to join XNINE. If somebody wanted to join XNINE, somewhere in the chat will be a link to join our group totally for free. And yeah, and I think in how do you say this, in bio? Not in bio, but in description. In description there is a link to join as well.
You guys are like mythbusters of trading. Guys, the concept of XNINE, being honest with you, we're trying to teach what I know for the past 15 years to understand trading. First of all, understand the basics, the fundamentals. What is economy? What is economics? What is politics? And how did trading was born? It was introduced, the main trading, as we see, was made in 2000. There was a bill. There was a bill about modernization of derivatives. That's where the trading started as we see it right now. The MetaTrader 1 was born in 2000. And that's when the retailers started to trade. I started trading at Forex in 2007, 2008. And I lost all of my money because I believed that it's only all about the strategies. I was losing money for 6 years, and I know that pain.
In this instance, the ICT method worked in gold. Not fully, but it almost went to new local highs. But still, beautifully closed above 50%. If you would open on the second close of 50%, your stop loss should be a little bit lower than the fair value gap, and your take profit should be in the previous highs. 1 to 3 risk to reward trade. Beautiful, beautiful. At this instance, it worked, but it could not work at the same time sometime. But it worked now. It worked.
TJR didn't have $20 million. He didn't. But he made a video how he made from 0 to $20 million by trading. That video is just epic, yeah. Such a nice sellout. Thanks, I meant 100 USD with that example. You mean by that fair value gap that Renis was using right now?
No way.
Someone made the money.
No way. No way it took this trade. Well, someone in the chat took the gold trade and made the... Love that. Hey, can you please describe what is SMT divergence? That's just the difference between two assets where one is showing bullish signs, one is showing bearish signs. And if we are taking that in one total vision, that we can tell either one is going in a bullish sentiment or a bearish sentiment. Moves way too fast. Yeah, hey, congratulate. This is scalping on the 1 minute time frame, impossible to share in the group. Yeah, that's why, because that's why we didn't share this in the group. And most definitely for XNINE members, London sessions, if there will be some trades on 1 minute time frame, 5 minute time frame, fast trades, sorry guys, but I will not possibly be able to send the trades and show them to you in the live stream, as we are hosting London sessions on XNINE as well. We're gonna be fast, and you gonna need to be live here. And yeah.
You guys are like mythbusters of trading. No, I'm just trying to be honest with myself, with you, because I'm not believing in fairy tales. Trading has no fairy tales, guys. It's a very rough place. Everyone here is a shark, and they are ready to eat you. So you don't lose money nowadays. No, we lose. We lose. We showed. We lost today.
I will show it again.
Okay, let's show again what it's about.
The last trade that we took, it was painful. The last trade set us back $7,000, I think. Yeah, here it is. So I will yeah, this is from the last Monday to today. So in total this week, in a week span, we made $35,000. But the last trade, which was Euro US dollar, I shared it here on the charts as well. It set us back $7,000 just because we got swept out of our stops. The vision was clear and the vision was perfect, only the stop loss was too tight. But either way, we made $35,000 and we went in through the setbacks as well. So we lost $7,000 on this trade, and we had on the previous week USD JPY as well, minus 4.2, no, 5 or 6 or even $7,000. Wait, 4, 9, $5,200. So there are losses. There are losses as well.
Yeah, someone says everybody lose. Exactly. And it's not about if you are right or wrong. It's about how much you make when you are right and how much you lose when you're wrong. That's it. That's a professional trading and even investing. Last week was fire. I made 8% again. My small account is growing faster than expected. You mean you are in XNINE? You're trading with us? Someone asked, what capital should I start to trade? Of course, it's really hard to manage risks with a small capital. I think $500 is not even enough, but you can start trading with $500 if you're strictly following the rules and risk management. But I would say at least $2,000, $3,000. This is a sweet spot, and you can start managing your risks properly. Thank you guys. I made $200 last week on USD Swiss franc.
Happy to see you.
So happy to see the guys from XNINE with the results. This makes us happy and motivated to create more and fill the XNINE with the products, free products for you.
Hell yeah, hell yeah. Do you have a channel? Yes, check the description. Or the pinned message in the chat. There is a group which is called XNINE, and it's totally for free to join. No, your money stays with you, your trading capital stays with you. We aren't taking no money from you. We aren't asking for any payments. If somebody is asking for payments with our names, those aren't us. We aren't asking for anything. So only thing you need to do is just trade with us, and that's just that simple. Started with 1K, made 120 last week, up to 2K now. Happy to see that. I joined Nothing Show. You need to press the buttons and not the buttons, but you will get redirected to Telegram, and in Telegram you need to have a conversation with the link that you pressed.
Someone joined, but he doesn't see anything there. Are you from US? RVI Tails. Sorry, I cannot spell your name. Are you from US?
Yes, I did. Then wait a little bit. There is a support who is gonna reply to you manually.
Have you heard of Operandi, the South African trader? Have you heard of him? No, I haven't.
I texted here.
Guys, don't get us wrong. There are really nice traders. There are. But I would say from 100% of all YouTube creators in trading space, 99% are just fake. 99. But yes, of course, there are really legit traders that are being transparent. They are not gambling with you, not showing all these one trade $1 million, which makes no sense. Italy is my name. I press Portugal. I don't know why Portugal should work for you, because we have issues only with US citizens. Sorry.
This is the guy.
Okay, I have no idea who he is.
No, I haven't seen him.
Okay, but maybe.
No, I will look into him. I will look into him.
Maybe he's legit. Donald Lomp, don't try to figure out yourself. You see, that's a really nice statement, because if you're new to trading, it is better to learn trading in real market conditions with those who know how to trade. For example, us. I'm not saying we are the best traders in the world, #1 scalper in the world. We are not. We are just being transparent and honest what is trading about. And not many people do that, because they want to sell you those, empty dreams. Selling all these recycled strategies and half-baked theories. Yeah.
I want to answer one of the comments. What's the most important 3 things in trading? With one comment that just one guy or girl, sorry, just said, wonder how far I can grow my account this year with XNINE. Not BMW next year, but maybe in 5-6 years. This is the first thing. Give yourself time and don't rush trying to be a millionaire or to get some $10,000 in one day. If luck will be on your side, yes, you will get to that money fast. But give yourself a year. For example, give yourself 1 year of just heads down trading with no rushing, with 0.5% risk per trade, and move further. First, patience. Second, don't be greedy, and third, just be grateful.
What is happening with community? I don't know. I just want to laugh.
The operandi flipped $1K into 500K US last week. Nah, that's insane.
Oh my god.
He made $500,000 in one. Sorry, guys. See, this is just pure math. To open for example, one lot size on gold, he's the best gold trader, as he mentions in his Instagram. To open one lot with gold, it depends on the leverage as well, right? But it's close to 1K. And gold did not move 500,000 points in 1 week.
It's such a bullshit. When you know, mathematically, it is possible to make from $1,000 500K in a short term, but in practice, it is impossible. It's not possible, especially just from first time in 1 week from 1,000 to 500K. It's not possible in practice. I just know that. And everyone on Wall Street, in institutional traders, they laugh on that shit. They laugh on these guys. They know that's just a fake.
Nah, but see, we cannot tell that he didn't, because he is stating that he did. We didn't made no investigation, nothing. Maybe he did. Maybe he made, because he is the best trader in South Africa. And he's a pastor as well, IT streamer and gold live trader, world's best. So
world best, number one. All these guys who proclaim themselves being number one, this is already a red flag.
Impossible.
No one is doing like that. Number one, most richest, the best, number one, preacher, rapper, whatever, best trader. Come on, babes. Guys, the sooner you will understand that there are so many idiots out there and clowns that's showing you gambling, the sooner you will understand that, the sooner you'll get to the profits. Please, clean your mind. Just take out that rubbish. Do not watch that content that gives you dopamine. Just be honest with yourself. Be honest with yourself. Life is not a fairy tale. You cannot make money like that. It doesn't work like that. If it would, everyone would be rich. Everyone would be rich. Just
wait. Yeah,
okay, you can tell.
No, wait. I need to find it. Trades by. Whoop. Trades by. See, this is the guy. If this is the guy, wait a minute. Yeah, he got exposed. Everything he did was fake. Trades by SCI. He made $5 million trading gold, and there was one guy who exposed him publicly in Instagram. And there was, he said he waited for market open on Saturday, when market opens on Monday. There was the timestamps wrong, everything was wrong. So this guy is a little bullshitter. So this is what I heard from the markets, from the social media, and from the internet. This is just what I heard. But everything else, yeah.
So yeah, guys, that was amazing stream. I saw all these guys supports discussing about all these let's so-called mega traders, number one scalpers, number one swing traders, whatever, preachers and everything. So yeah, it was really nice to discuss, and we showed everything what happened with our trades for the past week. And today we lost one trade, we had one profit, one loss. That's a part of the game. We accept it and we move forward with a clean mindset, no distractions. Be ready, guys. XNINE is always for free. Our doors are always open to help you, to teach you. We have free, everything for free. Courses will be for free. Market analysis for free. Support is for free. And our trading ideas that we share are always for free for you. We do not sell anything. And so, stay alarmed, stay sharp, and yeah, rain is last word.
Can we see some W's in the chat? Let's make a nice story for for you guys and for us guys. Let's spam a W's in the chat and smile for the camera as well. It will be nice story.
Yeah, let's spam W when we end the stream. And if we will have many W's, we will make streams more often. At least 2-3 times per week.
Yeah. And let's do one thing. If we're gonna count every single W in the chat, and if we will have more than 1,000 W's, we're gonna go a bazonker trade in the next live trading session. But yeah, insane guys.
Thank you guys. Your action makes me happy. Thank you for that action. Thank you for being with us, trusting the X9, watching our content. We're trying our best, and see you maybe in a few days. Bye bye.
For X9 members, possibly see you tomorrow on London session.